Take a look at this YouTube channel. It's pulling in millions of views just by uploading miniature boat videos, and the surprising part is, you can create videos like these using only free AI tools. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in. First, open ChatGPT, head to the More option on the left side, and click on the Apps section. From there, select GPTs in the top right corner, then type Miniature Boat Generator into the search bar, and start a chat. Once you're in, click Start the Generator, and ChatGPT will suggest 10 different ideas. Just pick the one you like most. For example, I'll go with the second option, enter its number and hit Generate. Now, ChatGPT will provide both image prompts and video prompts. Next, open Flow AI, click Create with Flow, and start a new project. In the settings, choose Image, set your aspect ratio, change the output to 2, and select the model as Nano Banana Pro. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Flow will give you 2 images. Choose your favorite, and download it. Now it's time to turn that image into a video. Go back to Settings, switch to Video, select Ingredients, set your aspect ratio, change the output to 1, and choose the model as Veo 3.1 Fast. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, upload your downloaded image, and hit Generate. Just like that, your first video is ready. And as you can see, it looks incredibly realistic. Download it, then repeat the same process with the remaining prompts to create multiple clips. Here are a few more I made using this exact method.
Keep it steady. Good.
And that's all there is to it. Your simple path to creating viral miniature boat videos using free AI tools. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.